Factorize completely. The instruction given by the examiner is that we should factorize 5h squared minus 12hg completely. A complete factorization. We have the expression right here, and in a right corridor we will include the intermediate steps. In the process of factorization, we take the highest common factor of the terms and divide each term by the highest common factor. We are in search of the highest common factor of both terms. What we notice here is that only the h is common in this case. H will therefore be the highest common factor. We have h squared and h. H is the one that will divide into both terms. H is the highest common factor in this case. Therefore, we will divide each term by h. We have our highest common factor right there. Then, each term will be divided by the highest common factor, which is h. We have our original terms just repeated here, and we are just going to demonstrate the division process, which is not generally done in examinations, but we are just doing it here for illustration. H into h squared is h. What we have here for h squared is the product of two occurrences of h. Then we will divide by just one occurrence of h, which means that one occurrence of h will remain. And this is done in a special way, in a way that we just consider to be merely improvisation, and that will be explained in a short while. And of course, the h will disappear from the second term. What remains is 5h and 12g. Those are the quotients, and those will form the large factor. There we have the complete factorization of this expression. In an examination, the intermediate steps are not necessary. As a matter of fact, this problem should be solved in one step, as it only values a single mark. When simplifying the expression by a common factor of h, there is no difficulty seeing h disappearing from the second term. We have a single occurrence of h here, and the highest common factor is h. Then there will be a complete cancellation of the h right here. What about here? We are just thinking that we have two occurrences of h here, meaning h squared, and we are dividing by h. If we divide by h, one of the occurrences of the h that we have here will be cancelled, and the other one will be left. So by removing the power of 2 here, we are considering that only the one occurrence of h will be left. And if we consider that what we have here is just h to the power of 1, then we know that our answer is correct. In the first term, we cross the power of 2. The reason for crossing the power of 2, then we will have what? No remaining index. And with no remaining index, the power is 1 by default, which is of course h to the power of 1, which is still h.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.